For years now, men have tried to find different ways to get themselves a bigger penis. This dates all the way back to ancient times when men with bigger penises were seen as the manliest ones of the tribes. To make things even worse, men with smaller penises were usually ridiculed and made fun of, regardless of whether their penis size was because of their genes or not. Nowadays, doctors and other specialists have come up with various devices, exercises and herbal pills that do not just help men get bigger penises but also improve their sex lives at the same time. When it comes to penis enlargement right now, most men are torn between two particular methods: penile exercises and penis pills. While both of them definitely work in terms of enlarging the penis, which one is the better one for you? Penile exercises are very common penis enlargement methods that can enlarge the girth and length of a man's manhood. In fact, they are so common that most online penis enlargement programs involve different penile exercises. Quality penile exercises usually stretch the penis and expand the tissues inside of it as needed to make the penis longer. One of the most common exercises for this is known as Jelqing, an exercise that has been around for centuries now. Legend has it that Arabian men back in the day did these exercises before their wedding day to ensure that they can please their future wives in bed. Jelqing usually lasts for around 15 minutes per session and should be done 3 times a week. Conversely, penis pills work in the same way that pills work for bodybuilders who want to gain more muscles whenever they exercise. While bodybuilders take pills to get more muscles mass and tissue, though, men take penis pills to get herbal nutrients that can improve the flow of blood in the penis and experience much faster gains. Fortunately, all sorts of professionals have already worked together in order to come up with the best penis pills to date. As such, you shouldn't have any trouble finding powerful pills that have effective blends of Ayurvedic and Chinese plant extracts in them. Not only are these extracts completely natural, but they can also help increase the strength of your erections and improve your performance in bed without any side effects popping up unannounced. Generally speaking, chemical laboratory-made pharmacy drugs usually come with unwanted side effects because the ingredients found in them aren't natural or safe. Natural penis pills and supplements, on the other hand, do not have any chemicals in them, making them completely safe to ingest as needed. If you want to experience faster and more effective gains in terms of penis enlargement, though, your best bet would be to combine both penile exercises and penis pills into a single dual-action system. This will work much better than sticking to one technique alone. Just make sure that you don't overdo it. Having said that, it would also be vital to know how often you should exercise your penis and how intensely you should go at it to achieve your goals and avoid injuries. To do this, just look for a good penis workout program online that comes with recommended exercises and detailed instructions to guide you on your journey. If you can find one that comes with photos and videos, that would be even better. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions to a T and do all of the exercises correctly in order to reach your goals as quickly as possible and without any complications.